Okay, this is a random video, but I'm a sciencey type nerdy guy, and I was very interested how after making my coffee today, in my coffee filter thing, I have a cone filter, a drip cone filter. I noticed all these like little craters had formed in the coffee. They're on this side here, but you can't see them. It's just such bad lighting in my house. Like, you can see all the craters here. And they look just like craters on the moon. I think by moving the light, you can get a better idea of like their depth and stuff. But it's really like moon craters. It's the strangest thing. And I didn't usually see it, so I wonder if it was like some weird effect because of a combination of like forces and things happening. But anyways, what I think might have caused it is, and I thought about the moon, right? So the moon is made up of sediment, just like these coffee grounds. And what I theorize, I have no clue, but what I theorize made these little craters, just like moon craters, in clusters like moon craters. I think it was the heat and liquid sinking down into the sediment, and we know because it's a cone filter, it's got gravity pulling the liquid down. So we have hot liquid being pulled down through this sediment. And it just made me wonder, it crossed my mind, like, what if this happened on the moon a long time ago? Like, what if all these craters we see on the moon actually had water, or, are the result of water that was on the surface that was drawn down to the interior? That's just very interesting. You know what I mean? Very, very interesting. This looks just like moon craters, and they're all like in clusters. Like I said, it's hard for me to get good lighting and angles and stuff here. When I take the light off of it, you kind of see the craters a little bit better. It's the weirdest thing. The weirdest effect. But, I wonder, you never know. Maybe there was, what I was getting to, the last thing I'll say is maybe a lot of the craters on other planets and stuff are actually the result of hot water being drawn down through the surface. And the other thing, it probably has to be drawn down at speed. I think the speed has something to do with making these crater-like impressions as the liquid goes down. I think if it happened really slowly, you wouldn't get the craters. So very, very interesting. Obviously only to a sciencey nerd, but very, very different. Like, they're like geometric almost. Like, you could see like there's a group of like 4 circular craters there. Very, very strange. But anyways, that's enough for that.